Hello students, today in this video we will do the remaining question of exercise 4. See question number 3 of your textbook. Which of the following are cube of even numbers and which are of odd numbers? What you have to identify? You have to identify how many of these are of cubes of the even number. कितने इनमें से क्यूब्स हैं इवन नंबर के और कौन कौन से ऑड के. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, थर्ड क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट पार्ट यू सी 8000 is given. You have to identify whether it is a cube of even number or of odd number. So first of all you have to find the prime factor. Prime factor of 8000. This is the fair work you have to show. 2 4 ja 8, remainder will be 0. So last 3 0 will come at last. 2 2 ja 4, last 3 0 we have to write as it is. 2 1 ja 2, last 3 0. Then 2 5 ja 10, last 2 0. 2 2 ja 4, remainder 1, 1 and 0 will be 10. 2 5 ja 10. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 5 ja 10. Now we have to do it with 5. 5 2 ja 10, 5 5 ja 25. 5 5 ja 25. 5 1 ja 5. Now prime factor is over. Now you have to write here 8000 answer is 2 into 2 into 2 again 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 into 5. Now what you have to do, these 3 2 we have to write it in the form of power. So this we can write it as 2 power 3. This one also we can write as 2 power 3. This one we will write as 5 power 3. 5 is coming 3 times, so 5 power 3. Now here you will observe all the numbers are having power 3. So we will do 2 multiply 5 whole power 3. All the numbers are having same power, so we will put one whole cube. एक ही डालेंगे, सब पे अलग अलग नहीं लगाएंगे. Now 2 2 जा 4, 4 5 जा 20, 20 power 3, and here is 20 is even number. What is 20? 20 is the even number. So 8000 is the cube of even number. So like this you have to do this first part. Now come to second part. Second part 9261. So in order to check it whether it is a cube of even or odd, first of all what you have to do, you have to take the prime factor of 9261. This number is not coming in a table of 2, so we will check it with 3. In order to check it with 3, what you have to do, you have to add this number. 9 plus 2 11, 11 plus 6 17 plus 1 18. So on adding these numbers we will get 18, and 18 is divisible by 3. So we will do it with 3. 3 3 ja 9, remainder 0. Now we have to take these two numbers together. दोनों एक साथ लेने पड़ेंगे. So here we have to put 0. Now 3 8 ja 24, remainder will be 2 2, and next number is 1 21. 3 7 ja 21. Now again we have to check with 3. तो इनको ऐड करके देख लें. इनको ऐड करके आएगा 18. 18 is divisible by 3. So we will do it with 3. 3 1 ja 3 0, 3 2 ja 6, and 3 9 ja 27. Again we will do it with 3. 3 3 ja 9, 3 4 ja 12, 3 3 ja 9. Now this is not divisible by 3, so we will check it with 5. At last 3 is written, so this will not be divisible by 5. Now after 5 7 is the prime number, so with 7 it will get divisible. 7 4 ja 28, remainder 6 and 3 63, 7 9 ja. Now 7 7 ja 49 and 7 1 ja 7. So we had finished the prime factor. Now we will write answer. 9261 is equal to 3 into 3 into 3, 7 into 7 into 7. That means 3 power 3 and 7 power 3. So these two powers are same. So we will put it as whole power 3. Or inside लिखेंगे 3 into 7. That means 21 power 3. So 9261 is the cube of 21, and 21 is odd number. 21 क्या होता है? Odd number. So 9261 is the cube of odd number. So like this you have to do all the remaining parts of question number 3rd. Now come to question number 4th. First part. Find each of the following. Question is cube root 512. So first of all what you have to do? You have to find the prime factor. Prime factor of 512. So in order to find the prime factor of 512, what you have to do? First of all we will do it with 2. 2 to the 4, 1 remainder, 2 5 ja 10 and 2 6 ja 12. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 8 ja 16. Now 2 6 ja 12, 2 4 ja 8, 2 3 ja 6, 2 2 ja 4. Now 2 1 ja 2, 2 6 ja 12, 2 8 ja, 2 4 ja 8, 2 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja 2. This is the prime factor of 512. Now question is cube root of 512. So again we have to put one cube root. Inside this cube root we have to fill all the numbers. How many? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 9 times 2 is there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Now what you have to do? 3 numbers we have to write one time. These 3 also we have to write one time. These 3 also we have to write one time. Why we are writing it one time? Because we are removing the cube root sign now. This is the cube root sign. So cube root when we will remove 3 numbers we have to write it single time. So answer is 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. So final answer of this part number first is 8. Now see next part. Part number 6th. We have to find the cube root of minus 8000. Cube root of minus 8000. So first of all we will find the prime factor of 8000. 8000 prime factor we will take. In order to find the prime factor of 8000, first of all we have to do it with 2. 2 4 ja 8, last 3 0. 2 2 ja 4, last 2 0. 2 1 ja 2, last 3. 2 5 ja 10. Then 2 2 ja 4, 2 5 ja 10, 0. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 5 ja 10. Now it will not get divisible by 2. 3 से भी नहीं होगा. Then we have to do it with 5. 5 2 ja 10, 5 5 ja 5 5 ja. So this is the prime factor of 8000. And 8000 answer you can write it. First of all you will write 8000 answer is 2 power. How many times it is coming? 1 2 3 4 5 6. And 5 is coming 3 times. Now we will write it in the form of cube. This is 2 power 3. This is also 2 power 3. This is also 5 power 3. Now all the numbers are having power 3. So we will take it whole power 3 और अंदर भरेंगे 2 into 2 into 5. That means 5 to the 10, 10 to the 20 power 3. किसका आंसर आया है? 8000 का आंसर आया है 20 पावर 3. सो -8000 का जो आंसर होगा वो होगा -20⁻3। ऐसा क्यों? पावर इज ऑड नंबर, सो व्हेन पावर विल बी ऑड तो आंसर में आपका माइनस साइन रह जाता है। इफ़ वी विल मल्टीप्लाई -23 टाइम्स, -20 इंटू -20 इंटू -20, तो आंसर क्या आएगा? माइनस का 8000 ही आएगा। और अगर हम 20 इंटू 20 इंटू 20 करेंगे देन वी विल गेट 8000। तो हमें तो माइनस का 8000 चाहिए, 8000 नहीं चाहिए। सो व्हाट वी विल डू, इन ऑर्डर टू गेट -8000, दिस 20⁻3 वी हैव टू टेक इन नेगेटिव, -20⁻3। सो now what you have to do, this is -8000 is equal to -20⁻3, but we have to find the cube root. So cube root of -8000 is equal to cube root of -20⁻3 है तो 3 बार लिख लें आप। now when we will remove the cube root sign, जब हम cube root sign लिखते हैं, हटा देते हैं, so when we will remove this cube root sign, ये 3 numbers आपको कितनी बार लिखने हैं? एक बार। so final answer will be -20। so like this you have to do part number 6. now come to part number 11th part, cube root of 0.125. here decimal is there, so in such question what you have to do, remove the decimal and in the denominator you have to take zeros. so cube root, when we will remove this point, so in the denominator we have to take 3 0. why we will take 3 0? because on the right side hand of the decimal 3 digits are there, so when we will remove the point, answer आ जाएगा 125/1000। when we will remove the point तो 1000 बन जाएगा। now this one we can do orally, orally means no need to take the prime factor, it is easy। 125 is 5 into 5 into 5, when we will multiply 5 3 times, answer will be 125। 1000 is there, no need to take prime factor, 1000 is simple number, you will take 10 multiply 10 multiply 10 3 times, when we will multiply 10 3 times, answer will be 1000। now this is the cube root, so what you have to do, you have to remove this cube root sign। when we will remove this cube root sign, these 3 numbers we have to write one time, so we will not take this cube root। now cube root we have to remove, 5 we have to write one time, upon 10 is coming 3 times, so we have to write it one time, 5/10, and 5/10 answer is 0.5। so this is your final answer। like this you have to do part number 11। now come to one more part, part number 17। part, cube root of 343/2500 into 400। so here what you have to do, here you have to find the prime factor, prime factor लेने होंगे आपको, you have to find the prime factor of 343। so 343 prime factor we have to do, so 343 is coming in a table of 7 4 ja 28, remainder 6, 7 9 ja 7 7 ja 49 and 7 1 ja 7। so instead of 343 you have to write cube root of 7 into 7 into 7 upon, this is 2500 2500। so here 2500 is not the cube, it is the square। ये जो होता है ये स्क्वायर होता है, क्यूब नहीं होता। तो आपको इसमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, प्राइम फैक्टर लेना होगा। प्राइम फैक्टर ऑफ 2500। So first of all we will do it with 2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 5 ja 10, 0. Again we will do it with 2. 2 6 ja 12, 2 2 ja 4, 2 5 ja 10. Now we will do it with 5. 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10, then 5 5 ja 20. 5 2 ja 10, 5 5. 5 5 ja 5 1. So these prime numbers we have to write here in the denominators. 2 is coming 2 times and 5 is coming 4 times. Now in the denominator one more number is there, 400. 400 prime factor we will take. 2 2 ja 4, last 2 0, 2 1 ja 2, 100, 2 50 ja, then 2 25, 5 5 ja, 5 1 ja. Now here 2 is coming 4 times and 5 is coming 2 times. So remove this 400 and here we have to write 2 4 times and 5 2 times. So 2 4 times and 5 2 times. Now we will remove the cube root sign. When we will remove cube root, these 3 7 we have to write 1 time upon 1 2 3. These 3 2 also we have to write downside 1 time. These 3 5 1 time. These 3 2 1 time and 1 2 3. These 3 5s are remaining. So these 3 5 we have to write 1 time. Now we will not put cube root sign because we are writing these number only single time. So we will remove the cube root. Now we have to multiply these numbers. 7 will be as it is. 5 to the 10 and 5 to the 10. 10 into 10 will be 100. So this is your final answer of part number 17. Now see next part, part number 19. Nineteenth part. Cube root 4 plus cube root 61 plus cube root 27. So first of all what you have to do, you have to do this small cube root, जो छोटा वाला है वो वाला cube root करेंगे. So what you have to do, first one, this cube root we have to write as it is, 4 plus cube root 61 plus, this is the cube root of 27. So cube root of 27 means 3 into 3 into 3. Now when we will remove this cube root, these 3 numbers we have to write only one time. So answer will be cube root 4 plus cube root 61 plus, remove this cube root sign and we have to write it one time. Now answer will be cube root 4 plus cube root 61 plus 3 will be 64. Now next step is cube root we have to write as it is, 4 plus again cube root 64 we will write it as 4 into 4 into 4. 4 4 ja 16, 16 4 ja 64. So these 3 4, what you have to do, you have to write one time. So answer will be cube root of 4 plus, now remove this cube root sign and these 3 4 we have to write single time. Now answer is cube root 8 and cube root 8 is 2 into 2 into 2. So final answer will be 2. So So like this you have to do all the remaining parts of question number 4. Now see question number 5th. Find the least number by which each number should be multiplied to make a perfect cube. What is asking? Least number by which this should be multiplied. So part is 5488. See first part, 5488. So first of all you have to show the prime factor. Prime factor we will find 5488. We will do it with 2. 2 2 ja 4, 2 7 ja 14, 2 4 ja 2 4 ja 8. Again we will do it with 2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6, 2 7 ja. Then 2 6 ja 12, 2 8 ja 16, 2 3 ja 6, 2 4 ja 8, 2 3 ja 6. Now 343 is coming. It is divisible by 7. So we will do it with 7. 4 ja 28, 7 9 ja, 7 7 ja, 7 1 ja. Now you have to write it. 5488 answer is 2 power 3 into 2 into 7 power 3. So here we are observing that 5488 is not a perfect cube. Why it is not a perfect cube? Because this term is not having power 3. इसमें पावर 3 नहीं आ रही है, बाकी सब में आ रही है. सो दिस इज नॉट ए परफेक्ट क्यूब. इन ऑर्डर टू मेक इट पावर 3 यू हैव टू टेक 2 times 2. एक है, 2 और चाहिए 2. दैट मीन्स 2 into 2 चाहिए आपको, जो कि क्या होगा 4. सो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, यू हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2 power 2 ऑन बोथ साइड. So 5488 multiplied 2 power 2. Here also 2 power 3 into 2 into 7 power 3 into 2 power 2. 2 power 2 is 4. So 5488 into 4. It is not compulsory to do like this. आप ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं, multiply by 2 power 2 क्या होता है? 2 power 2 4 होता है. तो आप इसको 4 भी लिख सकते हो. मल्टीप्लाई बाय 4 ऑन बोथ साइड. दोनों मेथड सही है, आप जैसे मर्जी कर लो. मल्टीप्लाई बाय 4 ऑन बोथ साइड. सो हेयर वी विल मल्टीप्लाई विथ 4 एंड हेयर ऑल्सो वी विल मल्टीप्लाई विथ 4. अब when we will multiply this number, 8 4 ja 32, 8 4 ja 32 plus 3 35, 4 4 ja 16 plus 3 19, 5 4 ja 20 plus 1 21. So on multiplying these two numbers we will get 21,952. 2 power 3 into 2 into 7 power 3 into 4. 4 को हटा के आप लिखेंगे 2 power 2. अब ये और ये मिलके बन जाएंगे 2 power 3. तो एक 2 power 3 ये रहा, ये दोनों मिलके बन जाएंगे 2 power 3 और ये हो जाएगा 7 power 3. दैट मीन्स सबकी पावर 3. तो आप क्या करेंगे, 2 into 2 into 7 की होल पावर में आप क्या लिख देंगे, 3 लिख देंगे. 7 2 जा 14, 14 2 जा 28. दैट मीन्स 28 power 3. सो 21952. This 21952 is the cube of a 28. आपने यहाँ फाइंड कर लिया है 21952 is cube of 28. तो इन्होंने पूछा क्या था आपसे, फाइंड द लीस्ट नंबर बाय विच द फॉलोइंग नंबर शुड बी मल्टीप्लाइड. आप क्या लिखेंगे, यू हैव टू राइट लीस्ट नंबर बाय विच दिस नंबर 5488 should be multiplied is, कौन से नंबर से हमने मल्टीप्लाई करी थी, 4 से. तो आंसर है आपका 4. अब आगे क्वेश्चन में एक चीज़ और पूछी है, ऑल्सो फाइंड द क्यूब रूट ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट, वो कह रहा है क्यूब रूट भी निकालो। किसका क्यूब रूट निकालो? जो प्रोडक्ट आया है, प्रोडक्ट मीन्स मल्टीप्लाई, तो यहाँ मल्टीप्लाई करी थी तो आंसर क्या आया था 21952। तो क्वेश्चन में कह रहा है वो इसका क्यूब रूट निकालो। तो आपको क्या लिखना है? एट लास्ट दिस प्राइम फैक्टर यू हैव टू शो इट इज द फेयर वन। सो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, cube root you have to find, cube root of 21952. So cube root of 21952 you have to write as 28. Power 3 is there na, power 3 means it is coming 3 times, but we will write it only one time. So one time we will write, and this is your answer. So two questions he is asking. First answer is this, least number by which this should be multiplied is 4, and second part he has cube root निकालो। तो cube root कितना आ रहा है? 28. So like this you have to do all the remaining parts of question number 5. Now come to question number 6. Find the least number by which this number should be divided to make a perfect cube. आपको इस बार डिवाइड करना है। So first part you see, what you have to do, 5184 is given. So first of all we have to find the prime factor of 5184. Now first of all we will do it with 2. 2 2 ja 4, 1 remainder, 2 5 ja 10, 2 9 ja 18, 2 2 ja 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 9 ja 18, 2 6 ja 2 6 ja 12, 2 4 ja 8, 2 8 ja 2 3 ja 6, 2 2 ja 4, 2 4 ja 3. This number you have to do it with 2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 6 ja 12, 2 2 ja 4. Then 2 8 ja 16, 2 1 ja 2. Now 81 is coming, so we will do it with 3. 3 2 ja 6, 3 7 ja 3 9 ja 27, 3 3 ja 9, then 3 1 ja 3. Now these numbers, prime factors which we have taken, we have to write here. 5184 answer is 2 power 3 multiply 2 power 3 multiply 3 power 3 multiply one more 3 is remaining. So here we will observe this is not a perfect cube. Why? Because this 3 is not having power 3, इसलिए perfect cube नहीं है. Now you have to divide by 3 on both sides. We will divide by 3 on both sides. So 5184 divided by 3, and this number also 2 power 3, 2 power 3, 3 power 3 into 3 divided by 3. So this 3 and this 3 will get cancelled, and when we will cancel these two, we will get 1728 is equal to 2 power 3 into 2 power 3 into 3 power 3. So here all the numbers are having power 3. So 1728 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 whole power 3. These 3 we have to write as whole power. So 1728 is the cube of 12. So in question he asked, find the least number by which this should be divided. So you have to write least number by which this given number 5184 should be divided is, what is that number with which we are divided? 3. Okay. Now he asked also find the cube root. आपको cube root भी निकालना है. So this prime factor you have to show. Now what you have to do? You have to find cube root. किसका cube root निकालना है? Of perfect cube का. तो ये तो perfect cube था नहीं, because यहाँ पे power 3 नहीं आ रही थी. Which is the perfect cube? 1728. 1728 का perfect cube निकालेंगे, cube root निकालेंगे, then answer will be 12. Power 3 नहीं लिखेंगे because we are finding cube root. Cube root निकालते हैं तो एक बार लिखते हैं, तो ये power 3 नहीं लिखेंगे. So this is your final answer. So like this you have to do question number 6. So your homework is You have to do this full exercise now, and in next video I will explain you next chapter.